Right, somebody has asked me if I could engrave a photo on a piece of wood. So I've downloaded a photo off the internet and we'll have a go. I've got a 60-degree V-bit in there all set up. So I'll push the run button and we'll see how we get on. I've started the machine going to try and cut a picture, but we'll have to have a look later on when it's finished. There's not much showing up. As it's moving, it's going up and down in the wood to create the picture, but we'll see what happens. Right, so it's finished doing the photo. I'll take the wood out and we'll have a look. Well, it's not very good. If you hold it in the light, you can just about see a picture coming through. So in this software, a few more settings adjusted. See, you can see the face. We'll have another go in a while. But there you go, you can just about make out the face in the light. See? There you go. Right, I put some sanding sealer on the piece of wood. Look, it does show up a bit better. But I think, yes, a better piece of wood. And adjust the settings, and I reckon that'll start looking like a proper picture.